View your budgets on mobile by logging into the SAP Concur app and selecting Budgets. Here, you'll be able to see the health of all the budgets you own and share. Click on any budget to dive into the details. You can also access Budget by logging in to concursolutions.com and selecting Reporting Budget Dashboard. Again, you'll see all the budgets you have a hand in managing. Clicking into a budget will give you more detail, just like on mobile. Additionally, you'll be able to review each line item and see the impact on your total budget. Here, you can select Export Data to have all the spending details from the selected budget exported and downloaded into a spreadsheet. Complete the form that appears and select Export Data.